Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use retinol hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, full guide. Apply retinol at night on clean, dry skin and wait a few minutes before layering other products. Use hyaluronic acid on damp skin to boost hydration, then seal with a moisturizer. Niacinamide can be used morning or night to reduce redness and balance oil. Always apply SPF during the day after using retinol. Start with a hydrating toner if you use one, then apply hyaluronic acid serum while skin is damp to draw in moisture. Next, apply niacinamide serum to help even tone and regulate oil production. If using retinol at night, apply it after serums that are lightweight and fully absorbed, or use retinol alone to reduce irritation for sensitive skin. Finish with a moisturizer to lock everything in place. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, which frees up time for your skincare routine and lets you relax after applying your serums. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you have questions, drop a comment. Now let's get back to the video. When starting retinol, use it 1 to 2 nights per week and increase frequency as your skin adapts to prevent flaking and redness. Hyaluronic acid and niacinamide are safe for daily morning and evening use and help soothe and hydrate skin when retinol is active. On days you use retinol, prioritize gentle cleansers and richer moisturizers to maintain the skin barrier. Never skip sunscreen after retinol use during the day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.